All right, peace everybody. I'm Milana Al Hassan with the Crypto Planet DeFi Group. So we're on the site right now. As you see, it's loaded and ready to go. It's current. We're gonna read this. So currently, we only support staking through this page. Assets that are staked via other means will not be included in Genesis mining and cannot be returned. So I'm assuming they're referring to like scam sites and stuff like that, which I'm pretty sure some of those are out there. You know, I'll give my opinion on a bunch of stuff later, but so today is a good day to sow sun, stake TRX to participate in mining and earn sun. Okay. So TRX pool 361 million and going up. People own this shit, y'all. People own it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to stake Tron, earn sun. Okay, I have some other stuff down here. So what is sun? What is Genesis mining? 14. Okay, you can find all this out on their Twitter, how to properly join mine and sun. The rules are new, so we're gonna look at the rules, but okay. Let's go. So stake, we're not going to be able to claim. If you look at the video, we're not going to be able to claim for another 14 days, but claim on the 16th. So enter the amount of TRX you want to stake. So let me see. I'm going to take a nibble. So, damn. Damn, can I put how many I want to stake in this bitch? Okay. How many Tron? No, once I click off the page, the shit gonna reload again, but that's alright though. We're gonna go to coin market cap. I don't even know. What's 15,000 TRX? 522. Okay, that's cool. That's over E. So that's cool. That's cool. And stake. So we put the signature on this. Look how fast Tron is. And there we go. Stake 15,000 TRX. Oh my God. I can't wait to try and get to be freaking $1, man. Like, this coin is deserving of $1 for real. It's very much underpriced. Like, and that's for real. Even in the Asian markets, I mean, it's underpriced. Projects like this, IOST, but I get it though. So I don't know what's next for this. Let me see if it took it out. Should have took it out of my wallet. Blink. There it is. It's gone. So, you know, it doesn't reflect up here because let's reflect it now. But all of this is, see, this is the available balance. So this is gone right here. So, and this is what I used to freeze for my energy. So, there we have it. Okay, so we're going to see what's good. And as you see here, you have staked 15,000 TRX. Stake, TRX, earn sun. Now, you all see these numbers going up? I'm going to leave it on for another minute. For another minute, 5 minutes. Then we're going to go down and read the new rules. They didn't have the rules for the platform. So, as we see, this went up to over 1 billion TRX since the beginning. So honestly, you see it's over 1 billion people are putting money in. They're bringing the hammer to this. So, go down and read and then come back up and see how many Tron is in the contract. So let me see, Sun's mining rules. Sun will be mined in proportion to size of the market. The amount of Sun users can receive during Genesis mining is determined by their TRX lockup amount and duration. The amount of pre-mined Sun the users receives equals the share of Sun the user is entitled to times total amount of pre-mined Sun, in which total amount of pre-mined Sun equals Sun total supply times pre-mined percentage. Share of Sun the user is entitled to equals amount of TRX the user stake time lockup duration, which is 14 days. That's everybody right now. Now this, I forgot what the symbol means. Amount of TRX staked by all users times lockup duration. Now it's only like 19 million Tron, if I'm right. Sun. But the tweet said there was no pre-miner. See, I'm like, this is pre-miner. Like, this is pre-miner. So I think that's you shouldn't say pre-mining, that there's no pre-mining, and there's pre-mining. See, look at this. First Tron meme coin, first Tron mining coin, 0 pre-mining, 0 team reservations, 100% community governed. But you have pre-mining, total amount pre-mined. So that's something I don't like. That's what I don't like about. I'm not gonna say it like that, but the lies, man. Like that's pre-mining. You say pre-mining right here, and then say no pre-mining up here. I don't get why people don't like Justin Sun, but saying stuff like this is it's real shady, man. Damn. I see why Trey say, just don't say nothing. Like, where are the other people that could represent Tron? Because that's a big mess up. That's deceiving. Because this is pre-mined. Like, I don't know. I'm participating. Watch the video, like and subscribe. Go pre-mine you some Sun tokens. I'm gonna hit Justin up on the Twitter, because the language be confusing. Watch his language. But like and subscribe. Thanks though, Justin, for another event that looked like it may be successful. We'll see. All right. Peace, everybody. Oh, hold on. Let me follow that. So let's go back. Let's see how many people much Tron in this joint. 1,296,333,000. Yep, it's changing. Look at all that. I'm gonna come back later and we'll see. All right. Peace.